So guys, I'm about to show you how I get that crochet braid hairstyle. So I already have my braid pattern. I wanted to do an illusion type or style of crochet braid. However, I didn't have any edge control. I started, but I wasn't getting the definition that I need. So you can see here that I started to do it and I stopped. And an illusion crochet braid style is that what you would do, you would plait the hair or braid the hair, and then you loop it, you braid, you loop. If you are someone who don't know how to do a cornrow or a braid pattern, that is also an easy way for you to get your crochet hair done. And in this season where a lot of us don't want to go to the hairdresser, you gotta do your own thing. So I wasn't able to do the illusion braid pattern, so your girl have to go back to what she always do, which is a regular cornrow. So I go ahead and I part off my hair here, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8 braid here, and then from this 8 braid I would combine 2 and braid all the way back, braid all the way back. So when I braid all the way back, I ended up with 2, 4, 6, 7 braid pattern going back. I will show you what it look like. And when I braid, I just pin them into each other as I go along, loop them into each other. So this is what the pattern looks like. I hope you're able to see it. So when I finish, I just tuck in my hair within the hair. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So what I will do first, I'm going to show you how to get the crochet hair. So the hair that I am using, crochet braid, the hair that I am using is a bump spring twist. Looks like this, so you're able to see it. And I bought this here on Amazon. It comes in a pack of 6. Yes, it comes in a little bag with 6 of them. So this is how the packaging looks in the bag. And in each of them, in each package, you have 15. So yeah, I am going to jump into it. I'm going to cut the braid. So this is it. This is how one of them look. Alright, so let's jump into that. I'm going to show you how to actually attach the hair to your hair. And this one is so small. I don't like when they're this small. But anyway, I want to show you the back. I don't know how clear I'll get the back done for you. And then I'll show you the side. Then I will come back and show you the finishes, because I'm just showing you. So I'm assuming that you know how to get your braid pattern. So you will turn your braid, your crochet hook down like this. Why? You want to allow the knot to fall under the hair and not on top of the hair, so you have that naturally flowing look. So yeah, let's do this for you. So this is the hair. And I'm going to latch it. You make sure you latch it, or else I'm telling you, it will be hot. You can either use your hand to bring in the next portion of the hair, or you can find the end, hook it like this into your latch hook, close it, and then you bring it through. I normally just use my hand because I don't want to unravel the hair. You know, these hairs can be so delicate. So yeah. So if you know this, I'm going to show you. I don't know if you can see it. There is a knot at the bottom. There is no knot at the top. So this is why I turned on the hook. I'm going to do another one so you can get a gist of what I'm saying. And I hope this hair will fit suits me, you know. Somehow I feel like it's not gonna suit me, but let's see. And if you want to know how far apart to put it, use your finger. So it's a finger distance or width apart. That's how I do it, so I don't have them too close. So yeah, so you can get it done properly. I like when the hair is done, it is neat and nice. So yeah, I'm doing this side to show you. I hope you're able to see. This is what I normally do. Just open it a little, pull it through, that's it. I think I go faster this way. So right, for these areas, I don't normally put a lot of hair either. I will space them out, yeah, until I finish. I just filled in the hair. So yeah. So guys, this is where I reach. I'm trying to space them because I don't feel like one pack, as they suggest, can really cover your hair. But let's see what happens. So I am right here, and this is where I think here I'm going to leave the parting from my hair. I think I'm going to have a part right here and in here. So I'm already sort of covered the back, not everything, but this is it, because I have this little one that I want to do, but I'm trying to cover most of the surface in case anything and I'm not able to finish all of it. I'll probably have to wear a wig. I don't want to wear any wig, so I'm trying to cover what I can cover. I have 3 packs leave, so hopefully 3 packs of 15 can cover this surface of my hair and fill in some of the gap. What I wanted to do is truly cover my hair, so at least I will fill in the gap. My head not so big, you know. It's not so big. The ear just spacious bad because of the type of hair. So yeah, it's also a good thing I was even doing the illusion part, because that would require more hair. So I'll come back and I will show you the closure, like how to do the closure. Yeah, stay tuned for that portion and stay tuned for the finished look. So guys, like I said, I don't think it's enough and I have to be spacing my hair really spacious. So I am here to show you what the closure will look like. Hope you can see me. Yeah. So this is the I'm trying to close this. So I did one side already. I'm going to finish this other side on camera so that you can see what I did, and then I will go through and fill in, you know, to cover what I think I didn't get to cover. Cause your girl trying to let it work. Cause guess what? This girl right here want to wear a hair, and I don't have a hair store, and I would have to order on Amazon, and it's a day. They would come in a daytime. So far, I like the hair. Never think I would, but the girl I like it when the face clean and all these things. Oh. But I like it for true. Don't follow me crazy sometime. So remember, I tell you, wherever you turn your crochet needle, that's where the knot will be. So when I was doing this side, I turn my needle like this so that I can have a natural forming. Look at it. I'm sure you can see it. Looks like my hairline. You can't really see anything even though I braid. So yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And guys, I only have one pack left with 15 pieces. But no, we're not going to use all 15. I know we're not use all 15. However, I want to make sure it closes up properly, and you know, I want to go back and fill in some little spaces that I tried to use the hair to cover because I wanted it to do. So you see, you have to improvise while you're doing your thing, or be creative, you know, because I don't like I can walk in on one hair store. So yeah, let me stop chatting now, because I chat too much sometime. So you're gonna turn your needle down again like this. Okay, you wanna make sure the knot is going to fall underneath the hair and not above it. So this is what I like to do. I am not even tying this here. See what I'm doing? Yeah, I'm just doing it like that. If I tied it, it come a little shorter. I don't want to, because it's my first time using this here. I don't know how it really structured, right? So I am making sure whatever I am doing, I try to be on the safer side. And I was so nervous because I was like, this hair is not gonna glue. And guess what? This is the first time I actually tried to film my hair on camera. I've never done it before. And then all of that, you know, so kind of disappointed a little. But yeah, this is how you do it. See, you see it here, you can see the cornrow. That's the aim of the closure. When you're closing it and somebody a look, they must be thinking it's your hair and not seeing the cornrow that you use, or if you had the illusion part. So I am doing the same thing until I completely finishes that segment. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of it and I'll show you the finished look. So this is it. This is it coming on. Let me just close it up and show you the closure. Then guys, I will come back and show you the finished look of this hair. Your girl have a little challenge. Yeah, always doing my own hair, guys. You have to do what you have to do. You know, I used to pay when I was in Jamaica like 5,000, 4,000, that little money to crochet my hair. Then one day I was like, no, I'm gonna do this myself and start doing my hair. But been doing my hair from, or people here from I was in high school, so I know I have it in me. So yeah, I started doing my hair like 4 years ago. I do every hairstyle that I wear. So stay tuned for the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look and this is what I would call my perfect closure. And this is fine, but it's not a perfect closure over here. Why? I completed this last. Remember I told you the hair was not sufficient. Yeah, your girl didn't have sufficient hair because it was only 6 pack within the pack. So there's a big pack with 6, right? And then I think I said that earlier, it would have taken like 7, right? So in the future, I would have to buy 2 packs with 6 each, so that would be 12, but I would only need 7. Would I buy this here again? Definitely. I like it, guys. I really like it, but I'm disappointed that it was only 6 and I have to do what I have to do. You know, a girl got skills, so a girl know how to do her thing. So yeah, I have to space some of them because I would have to order it on Amazon. And yeah, I'm not gonna go through that because I would have to wait maybe a day. It always comes within a day. But I like the hair. I really like the hair. This is the hair right after it finished. There's no mousse, no nothing, no algae, no nothing. Yeah, just like this. I like it. I'm feeling this hair, guys. Really like the hair. So this is what it looks like at the side. I hope you can see it properly. This is the side. This is how it looks. And this is the other side, right? I'm going to use the mousse to let them lie, you know, a little neat and all that thing. I don't know how the back look, because remember, it's me alone, filming and doing everything. So I'm going to show you the back so you can see what it looks like. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, I hope you're seeing it properly. So this is what the back look like, right? The finished product. It could take some more. For example, right here, I would need one right here, you know, and a few of them. But I'm not going to put it in a ponytail or anything. And if I'm going to do something, I'm going to do like this to, you know, cover and all of that, but so far I think it feels good, and I feel like everything fall into place on the back. So you can tell me when you see it. Come on, we'll be seeing it almost at the same time, right? So yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. This is my finished look. I really like my closure. I really like when my closure is similar on both sides and neat and nice. Yeah, so nobody will able to see the corner. If you can see it, look, you wouldn't see anything here. They will see, but you have to look really good to see it because I didn't put it as close. Reason being, but it looks more natural on this side compared to here. Why? It took like it clustered, right? So you know, you'd wonder what's going on if it's, you know, them sewing something or whatever, but still look natural, but not as natural as this. But I prefer it like this because I don't want my cornrow to show any at all. So yeah, this is the finished look. I like it. So guys, you notice I didn't show while I was doing the entire head. I didn't want to bore you watching me doing it. So I show you the start, I show you the middle in terms of the side, and then I came back and I showed you the partial finish, and now this is the finished look. So if you want to see me do a complete one, if you really want to learn and you want to see something done in full, like from before I even do the cornrows and everything, you can comment you need a full one. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know. I'm here to give you what you desire. But yeah, your girl have skills, so she's just showing you what she can do and what she has been doing ever since the last 4 years. I've been doing all my hairstyles myself. I just see what I like and then I go for what I want. So I saw this here and I was like, I like this spring twisting, you know. At first I was skeptic, but then I was like, I think this will look nice on me, and I think it does. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Continue to support your girl. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.